A short review about public.com, a platform used to investment, to stake, or to many other options to simply grow your money. Let's discuss it. Public.com is one of the most frequently recommended platforms in the financial influencer space, and after spending time using it myself, I get appeal. The app is sleek, intuitive, and designed in a way that makes investing in stocks and EFTs feel almost effortless. It's one of the cleanest user experiences I have ever seen, and I have used it personally. But as some who digs into platform and marketing for a living, I quickly hit limitations. Many tools I consider essential, like analyst rating, earning forecast, and key fundamental data, are locked behind a premium subscription because you cannot use it for free. Now, the first thing is, if you have affordable range, then you can simply minimum deposit of $20. Stock traders is 0. Options per contract is 0. So you have to simply pay a subscription fee to use the public.com. Now discuss the pros and cons of this. The benefits are sleek, minimalist platform that's easy to navigate, well-written educational content with helpful graphics, and daily 5-minute market podcast, the rundown for quick updates. The minus points are high yield bonds include risky below investment grade options, options trading lack key data, making decisions harder, and limited research tool compared to other platforms in this price range. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.